Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with the picture or photo on your ZTE Blade A7s, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to move to the languages and input. You can find it in the system. Then move to the virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard and move to the theme. Next we have to click right here and we are able to pick our favorite picture. I will go for this one. Click next. Here we can set transparency, and at the end we are able to take off key borders. Click apply, and right now, as you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.